Dois. Alô? Alô? Dois. Teste. Hello everyone. Não tem som, né? Não tem som. Verdade. Vou pagar. Hello? Somebody there? So I'm waiting for the time. Is missing 4 minutes. Then we should start. If you have any difficult or if you have a problem to install if you can write below, then I can open another forum and fix the problem and try to fix the problem. So it's missing 4 minutes. It is also 8. It's missing 4 minutes to 9 p.m. and I cannot go directly because you have time. Okay. I hope so. All the persons from my Facebook page, they can access my YouTube channel, because today I will not transmit on Facebook. It's missing 2 minutes right now. My wife is studying, and I'm here to do this video for everyone. It's missing 2 minutes, but it's taking too much time. Merci. It's missing 1 minute. So that is the time. That is the time. I hope so. Everyone can enjoy on this live, because it will be my first live on YouTube, and I think so. Is going is until now everything is good, is well, and we will spend a few hours here because I wanna try to explain you everything how to install and configure the Eve solution. What is EV? EV is a emulated virtual environment. It is like Genius 3, but they have more things that you can they have more stuff to do, like Genius 3. So Genius 3, you have many persons have a difficult to use the Genius 3, but today we will not talk about Genius 3. We will talk only about EV. EV is a emulator software for Cisco, and you can emulate another type of. It's not also official for Cisco because he supports another time another router switch like Juniper, different firewall. You can use Fortinet. You can use Asa. You can use a Palo Alto. So there are many things that you can do on EV, but for today we will see a free edition of EV because I have difficult to pay for the pro version, but if I have opportunity I will not expand. If I have opportunity to pay, I will pay because I just saw the previews of version Pro, and it is good. All right, let me share my screen with everyone. So that is my screen. Uh-oh, I must close this. Uh-oh. Okay. Let me check if everything is going well. I'm live. Let me check. Okay, I'm live. So let me close this. This is my page on the Facebook. I think so. It will take a few minutes. Yeah, I don't know if everyone is listening. Everything I'm telling you. Todo mundo consegue me ouvir? Boa noite a todos. Espero que quem estiver a acompanhar pode dar um toquezinho, ok? E só para dizer, esta é a minha página no Facebook. Esta é a página no Facebook e a hora do evento lançado que eu fiz. E espero que vocês estejam a ouvir o áudio. Deixa-me lá fazer um teste para ver se o áudio está a sair. Espero que vocês estejam a ouvir o áudio. Ok, sem mais demora, recebi alguns comentários no LinkedIn de alguns desenvolvedores do IV que até estavam a me questionar se eu pretendo ser alguém que queira fazer vídeos para o canal do IV, ok? Ou para eles e por aí fora. Tenho uns camaradas que esteve a falar comigo e há pouco tempo mandou-me uma mensagem e acredito que muita gente conhece, é o ULDs Desert. O nome é muito complicado, mas é este senhor que está cá, que é também um dos representantes do IV, é um CEO do IV, ok? Eu disse a ele que esse vídeo vai respeitar os padrões a nível de direitos de autor, ok? Que aqui não estamos para quebrar nem ferir. Estamos live? Já estamos live. Ok. E agora quebrar nem ferir. Ok. Pronto, tem aqui alguém já está a visualizar. Ok. Aqui agora quebrar nem ferir. Ok, mas vamos ao mais importante. Pronto, tem aqui alguém já está a visualizar. Ok. Então, o que é necessário para fazermos a instalação do IV? Primeiro, é necessário entrarmos no site do IV, ok? Que é a página oficial do IV. O que é que temos nessa página? Temos o menu de download, onde temos o IV Professional, que é o pago, que é a versão Pro, e temos a versão IV NG Community. O IV NG Community é a versão grátis, ok? Que nós utilizamos e vamos desenvolvendo e fizemos aí os nossos labs e os nossos t-shirts, ok? Temos aqui Windows Client Side e temos o Linux Client Side. Até podemos clicar aqui, é a área onde nós podemos encontrar os packets que são necessários para o bom funcionamento do IV, ok? Onde no Windows ainda não encontrei packets para o Mac, ok? Mas para o Windows ele funciona normalmente. Onde é composto pelo WeShark, o Ultra VNC versão 1.2.12, também se quiserem tiver uma versão nova podem instalar normalmente. O Pink para o WeShark, temos aqui o All necessário para Warp, esse termo é um pouco pesado. Okay, and we have a file to change the resist of Windows. It will save all files on your PC, local PC, okay? So you can use secured RT or you can use the put by default, there is no problem. Windows support Windows 8 and 10, resist support. O resisto é suportado pelo Windows 8 e o Windows 10. Se tiver uma versão abaixo, o resisto do Windows poderá não funcionar, ok? Auto detection of Windows version, ele faz uma detenção do sistema operativo, ok? Para quem quiser fazer download dos packets, é necessário ter os packets, ok? Tem que clicar aqui em Windows Integrate Package. When you do this, you can use a mega. This is a mega repository, or you can use Windows Integrate Package. I'm using IMG, but I will download on mega, and is very few. Is only 96.6. Okay. You can download this file because it's important for you. And we have another thing to do. We must go to download this application, WinSCP. Alright, I think so this is the last version. But if you don't have this, or you are using a Mac, you can use this one. Alright, Transmit is good. It's good, but let me tell you, Transmit is not free. You must pay for them, okay? You will pay for this application, but I like very much this application, okay? And what I have more, this is my server. I will use my server, and there is nothing. The rest is also. First of all, you should come here, click here to easy. So you have two ways to install. You have deploy with OVA, or you can deploy the ISU, ok? Tu podes usar a forma de instalação utilizando o OVA, ou podes utilizar o ISO. Para utilizar o ISO, nós temos que ter internet, largura de banda, essas coisas todas, que é para podermos baixar o software, ok? Então, achei melhor baixar o OVA. Muita gente às vezes diz, prefiro baixar pelo Google. Tu podes baixar pelo Google, tu podes baixar pelo Mega. Mas o que é que acontece às vezes no Mega? Quando a gente às vezes está a fazer um download no Mega e este download for superior a 4 GB ou 5 GB, ele já não te deixa baixar pelo navegador, ok? Ele te exige a fazer o download do teu ficheiro utilizando a aplicação do Mega Download, ok? But I will not do a download more because I just have this version, alright? So let's back here. On this website we have every information, all the information that you need to install your Eevee. So, and I want to greet the developers guys to do this, okay? When you come here to documentation, you can find the installation system required, virtual machine install, Bear install, and Eevee Pro license, Google Cloud install. They are the version that you can do to install. The first is, a primeira coisa é saber quais são os requisitos necessários para o teu sistema, quais são os requisitos que o teu sistema deve ter para fazer a instalação do Eevee. A segunda opção é virtual machine install. Alright, it is like, we will get in there. Let's get in here. First of all, o que é que a tua máquina necessita? This is very important, okay? If NG required Intel CPU, alright, VT -X/APT, okay, and we have more here, one of following. Para Ubuntu, a sugestão é 64 bit, with any processor, qualquer tipo de processador. Ubuntu 18 is not supported. Para quem pensa em instalar no Ubuntu versão 18, o Eevee ainda não tem recursos para rodar nesse sistema operativo, ok? It still not have all necessary libs for Eevee, ok? It supports VMware ESX versão 6.0 or later. It supports VMware Workstation 12, version 12.5 or later, and support VMware Fusion. The VMware Fusion is for Mac, okay? And it supports VMware Player version 12.5, okay? And what I have here, the VirtualBox does not support, okay? Let me tell you something. If you are trying to install Eevee, don't try to install on VirtualBox, okay? Because it will not work. And required CPU and RAM depend on how many nodes you need to run, okay? You can use 4 CPU and 6 GB RAM can be enough for IOU or EOL and dynamic only, but will be insufficient for topology with CSR 1000. Em outras palavras, se a gente quiser rodar, tudo depende do número. Anderson, boa noite. Tudo depende da capacidade de nodes que tu vais querer rodar. O que é nodes? Nodes podemos dizer é o número de equipamentos que tu vai colocar na tua rede. Por exemplo, se tu meteres 10 routers, 20 routers ou 20 switches, tens que olhar que cada router consome X de memória, ok? Cada switch consome X de memória. E esses routers em si também consomem CPU, ok? Então temos que ter atenção nisto. O que esta frase aqui faz menção é que se a gente quiser rodar, se darmos apenas 4 de CPU, 6 de memória RAM, nós podemos rodar as imagens para switch IOU ou IOL. Tanto para router como switch podemos rodar à vontade, ok? Mas se a gente quiser rodar o roteador CSR 1000, já não suporta. Porque, se bem me lembro, este roteador exige só de memória 8 GB. Ok? 8 GB de memória, mas depois nós vamos ver. In other words, the EV required are the same for the next SXE virtualization or Cisco VRL CME. Okay, EV can still work without Intel V2i processor and can run installation with another hyper-V. Also, but 64-bit or 18.6 appliance no work. Okay, poor performance should be expected with 32 bits, ok? Não pensem em rodar with numa máquina que tenha 32 bits, ok? If you try to run on 32 bits, it will not be good, okay? So let me, I hope so I'm not running too much because I'm also on the só estou a falar ainda apenas da documentação, ok? Depois temos aqui, this is the future, this is the Q image, ok? Q image. Okay, don't make me laugh, my friend. Good evening for you. Yeah. So we have here all the information that you need, but the most important thing I want to show you on this page of documentation is the EV NG Pro Cookbook. All right, this is very important. If you wanna install EV, you should read this book, okay? Because the developer made, you must read because they made for help. All right, let's go. I think so. I just have here. I just make it download because I don't wanna. So I will close these windows and another, and I'm waiting for a PDF is open here. So this is the cook band lab, but Dave is not giving to you the permission to create another lab. So everything that you need, you have here. Okay. Some steps we can follow here, and you can see we have here the requirement or requirement that you need to install. This is the CPU support, and I just explained about this on the page, the official page of Eevee. And I or let me tell you something. I run Eevee on my server, but on my PC I can run because my PC is i7, ok? Eu posso correr o Eevee no meu computador normal, como eu tenho aqui instalado ele. Este é o meu Eevee que está aqui, ok? Ele roda porque o meu PC cumpre com os requisitos, ok? Um dos requisitos fundamentais é o tipo do processador, ok? Que temos que ter muita atenção. E outra coisa, devem verificar se os vossos computadores suportam virtualização, ok? Let's go. I have here a lot of information. I will share this link with everyone. Okay, this is how can I do this directly? I think so. I can share the links. So they are the links I'm talking and the program we will use. Let me get in quickly here on my YouTube channel because I'm recording. I'm doing directly from another side. Let me check myself because I want to share this link with everyone. Okay, that is the live. I want to share this link with everyone. Okay, that is the live. I want to share this link with everyone. Oh, I should do it live by one, not all of them. I want to share this link with everyone. Oh, I should do it live by one, not all of them. I want to share this link with everyone. Oh, I should do. Let's share it a second. And I hope so this video can help everyone, okay? copy. Yep, that is the second. Yeah, and the last is the win SCP. Okay, uh, I put a space there. Okay, here. This is the link is also finished. The link finished here. Okay. Okay. Let's back here. Okay. Everything that you need, you have here. You must read the cookbook, and this is the place that you can go to see the license, information about license. You have a place to buy a license. You have a personal license and a corporate license, and everyone, I think so. Everyone just made. I will think that you just have the image of Eve, all right? Eu vou imaginar que já tens a imagem baixada do Eve, ok? And we have here community. This is the community edition, change logs and live help desk. And you have a forum. On this place, you can find a lot of person are talking and changing knowledge about EV before representing something great, change and what, everything that you need to know and discourse about EV. You can enjoy on this forum. You can put all your doubt. They will take a time to explain and so on. Okay, let's go to start to install the EV, because today we will talk only about EV. So there are some commands that I think so it will be able for you, because my first time when I made the video about EV, it was in 2016. It was a long time, and the name was not EV. The name was Unified Networking Lab. Okay, so I'm following EV just a long time. Okay, and for the first time it was not able to work, and so some command we must do. Okay, let's go to start the EV. I will not install my EV on the on the MacBook. I will install a remote machine. Okay, let's get in here to my server. I hope so everyone can follow all the steps. So we will install the Eve here. This is my server, and the first thing I need to do is come to File, New, non sorry, not New, File, and go to Deploy over Template. Okay, you should do this, and we must look in the place that you put your image. I will look for. I will not use this image. Let me check, because I have a lot of here. This is the I. This is very old. Let me looking for another. So any doubt, any problem until now? This is unit. Those are also image. What is this guy? What is the my version? This is a old version. Let me check here. This is okay. This is old version. I have a lot of version here of Eva, because every time I'm doing a test and so on. Let me get in here. I don't have. Where is my Eva? Don't worry. Eva never. Oh, this is the first version, and this version is very fine. I wanna greet my friend from Instagram. I think so. He's Fernando. He's a good guy. He's from Brazil. My mom is calling me right now. Oh my God. So was my mom. My mom was calling me. I said I will return the call because we are directly here. So let's get in here. Okay, that is the version. Yeah, this is for this year, and we select the image. We do open. We go next, and by default This is the most this is a very important to know. By default, the EV gave to you 40 GB for your hard drive, okay? And sometimes the person have a problem with this because 4 GB is very few for him if you want to do a lot of labs and so on. But first of all, I will let for 40 GB, then we will increase the hard disk, ok? Vou deixar 40 GB e depois vamos aumentar. Por quê? Porque muita gente tem problemas, às vezes usa o 40 GB e quando está a fazer os labs, aqui o IV gera logs e os logs podem encher facilmente o seu disco, ok? Dependentemente do número de labs que tu tens. Next. So we will give the name here. I will call by EV score CCNA score photo. Yeah, because everyone just know the CCNA photo. Next, uh, here I will choose what storage I wanna implement. I have more space here. I will use this. Is the first. And we have here the think provision lays 0 and think provision age 0. Um, Following the recommendation of EV, official recommendation is think provision. Okay. Next, and here is to select what will be the network adapter. Okay, I will not. I can choose everyone. Okay, I can use everyone. I can use this or that one. There is no problem because I can change the interface when I will finish. Okay, read it to complete. So I will let the power on. I will not apply this because when I finish I must do some I will change a lot of things before running, ok? Antes de iniciar, eu podia selecionar esta opção e ela arrancar automaticamente, mas não, antes de iniciar o IV, eu vou fazer algumas alterações, ok? Now, I will let this finish, then I will return, okay? Now, I will take a time to drink water. I'm coming back. Mhm. Olá a todos. A água foi caiu bem, graças a Deus. Correu tudo bem. Espero que vocês estejam a ver o vídeo em condições, que não haja, espero que não esteja a haver interferência, que tudo esteja a correr da melhor forma possível. Uhum. Boa noite. Oba! Desculpem lá pelas ligações, mas esse é o resultado do ofício. Ok? Nesse momento já está tudo ok. Temos aí a nossa máquina criada. Cadê a nossa máquina? Cadê a nossa máquina? Vou fazer aqui um refresh. Cadê o IV? Ah, tá aqui. Não, este é o meu antigo. Está aqui o nosso IV criado. Ok? Agora vamos passar para outra fase. O IV está criado, o IV tem. Mas aqui, nessa minha versão do vSphere, is not available to make a lot of stuffs, okay, like changing and so on. Okay, I will minimize this guy and that one. Now let's get into it. Ups, tem muita coisa aqui nesse ambiente de trabalho. Delete. So, isto aqui é fora. Tem muita coisa aqui, tá me metendo o ecrã feio. Crash, and exit. Ok. Que é para dar também um ar assim mais bonito e vocês já sabem, essas coisas. Yeah. Pronto. Assim está bem melhor, ok? Now, let's start the second part of installation the EV, alright? Para quem tiver VMware normal, ou VMware Workstation, ou VMware Player, you must open your VMware, okay? I will open mine, and I will access my server, okay? My remote server. Here, let's look for the new machine that I made. Okay, this is the machine. Essa é a máquina que nós estamos a criar. What I have to do, we must come to settings. This is the same, ok? É a mesma coisa para o workstation, ok? If you want to see this on the workstation, you can do. Alright, let me open here. Para não dizerem que estou a fazer no Visio por aí fora, então vou abrir aqui o workstation, ok? Deixa eu minimizar aqui. Ups. Vou abrir o workstation, que é para... Eu sei que temos muitos utilizadores Windows, ok? Vou abrir o workstation aqui, que é para termos que é para vocês verem, que é para vocês verem a coisa a correr mesmo no Windows, ok? No Workstation, que é para não termos que para fazer numa plataforma que depois é diferente da vossa, ok? Então eu estou a abrir aqui o Workstation. On the Workstation you should connect to server, okay? The server will be 192.no skip 192.168.50.19. Yep, alright. Connect anyway. This is also because I'm connecting to my server, okay? I will get in here. What is? That is the easy, alright? Let's get in here and setting, okay? It is like your right now, okay? I have, so, on the EV, this is, I think so, this is the Pro version. Eu acredito que essa deve ser a versão Pro. Porque a versão Pro é que traz duas placas de rede. Okay, but there is no problem. If will be the Pro, we will deploy another version quickly. Okay, 40 GB, 80 memory RAM. What I have to do more here? You should go to the Pro and see it is just virtualization. All right, and I think so. There is nothing to change more. I think so. This is a Pro version. Acredito que eu fiz subir a versão Pro. Okay, let me start. This is start on. You can start here. I will start deploy another because I think so. This is a version. This is a Pro version. 173. What is the other version? This is a Pro. I write there Pro, but I think so that one is a Pro 2. Easy. No easy there. I don't want to download more. Okay, but I have I think so I can use the last version I have. Yeah, we can use. There is no problem. It's okay. Vou meter aqui a outra versão, não há problemas. Porque eu acho que essa versão que eu estou a utilizar é a Pro. E a Pro não é aconselhável instalar sem ter o licenciamento. Okay, I will use this. Hi, good evening, Hugo. So let me do this. I will do next, and I will change the name. I will do easy. This is free. Yeah. Next, and I will choose this disk. There is no problem. Okay. I will choose the think provision. Next. Yeah, that is. This is a free edition. I will deploy this one. There is no problem. I will let this guy keep doing. Let me open here the other we are using. That is the one. You can see we have this is the IP that before you access using browse you should get in here. This is root. This is the default user, and the password is easy. Alright, you have opportunity here. Type the root password. You can change your password. Alright, I'm changing right now, and this is the name that you're gonna give to your machine. I can change can take if I can put only CCNA for all. It will be good. This is if you have a DNS server. I have my DNS server. It is a local DNS server. If you have, you can explain your DNS domain name. Okay, my domain name is my name. Sorry, .neto. Sorry, is neto dot local. This is my DNS, and you have opportunity to be a static or DHCP. Every time I'm using DHCP, okay, because for me it's better. So if you have NTP server, you can provide the IP of your NTP server, because you know the NTP server is for time, okay, to control the clock time or time, right? Get in, directly connect. If you have any unknown procs, you can use. If you have any authentication procs, you can configure too, but I don't have enough of this. You can do directly connection, all right? And he's finishing the configuration. You can see below. I think so. This is a pro version. Eu instalei a versão Pro, mas não há problema. Já estou a correr uma nova versão atrás, porque a minha máquina tem capacidade para tal. Ok? I'm running right now. Essa é uma das diferenças que eu vi no Pro. Tu tens duas placas de rede. You can see, oh, wonderful. CCNA for all login, and you have you can do a login right now, or you can not do a login. There is no problem. You can leave that one this way. Let's go. Is deploying. Let's go to another website. Okay, we can get in here. So Eevee doesn't work well with the Safari. Okay, it will be 192.168.50.53. Yeah, you will see. This is not the Pro version. This is the good version. I should stop deploying the other behind. So, but there is no problem. It can be there. This is the new version. This is 2.0.3.95. These have two of network card. Okay, you have two network cards. So here, this is the interface of Eevee. So you can provide the user and the password. By default, the password is admin, or the user is admin, and the password is Eevee. So here we have native console, and I got HTML5 console. Okay, we will use those to show you how it works. Okay, let's get in here. Admin, and the password is Eevee. You see, it's very easy to install. It's very easy to install. Okay, now let's create here something. Lab 4 here. Yeah, 4 here. It can be create a folder, or you can directly create a new lab. If you click change the name detail, is when you just have the detail. You can do add new lab, so some character is not permitted, like dot. I think so. You can use this one, and you can say who is making the lab. For example, is me. So that is my name. You can give description of your lab. and you can inform what task you have to do. Okay, let me save. All right, now we are inside the EV. Inside the EV you have add nouns object. When you click here is to go to node, you will see all the image that EV support. All right, for this moment we don't have nothing yet. We have only virtual PC works. Okay, for today we will see how to add Cisco iOS, all right, all the version, and Cisco IOL for switch, and we can test Fortinet, we can test Windows Server, we can test Windows 7 and Windows XP. All right. So before do this, we should leave this guy. So I will stop open this guy here because Safari is not good for to do this. We can use Chrome, but for me I use Mozilla. I use Mozilla or Firefox. It works well. Let's go. We will go down. So what do you need more? You need the image for your EV. Okay, and it will be good. Yeah. Nope. Let me get in here. Let me stop. I think I made a new. What is the other? Name I gave. I have some name, but I'm forgetting the name. Oh, EVCCNA for all. This is the new we are using. Let me check here. Well, but don't worry. It is nothing. Okay, let's go. Let's minimize this guy and that one. Okay, this is the most important part that. Okay, the signal is good now. This is the most important moment that you must watch. Okay, so I will use this guy, but I just told you you should download the Win server, this guy, to transfer file from your PC to EV. All right, let's go. I will get in here 192.168.50.53. I think so. Is it root OI and EV? We will get in if there is no mistake. Or something is wrong. Yeah, the password is not good. I just changed the password. Okay, now, so you can see well. Let me change my template of Mac because no, 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 not this guy. It is one because it's too dark, and I think so. I think so now it's better. All right. So we are on this folder. What do you have? So I have a documentation here, the place that we must go. Okay, we should come back here and let's go to OPT, Unit Lab, add-ons, and this is the place that you will put all the image that you want. On dynamic, we will put a Cisco router image. All right. On IUL, we will put all the image of switch or router IOL. Okay. On the KMU, you will put ASA, Windows, and a lot of Fortinet, whatever you will put here. BIOS and so on, you will put here. Huawei and so on. Okay, let's start with this one. It's very easy to do this. Okay, you should come. on the Mac. Go to, what is the image folder? Easy and Genius 3. Where is this guy? Let me look at the folder. Yeah, that they are. Yeah, you should choose the image. If anyone wants this image, I will share the link for everyone. There is no problem. Let me copy the, what is the image I need. Yeah, those are the image for Cisco. Okay, Genius 3. You can copy all of them. This is also Genius 3. There is nothing there. And I want to use those image. You can use image normally, or you can use bin. All right, I will use that one. So let me check. Okay, dynamic. Now it's copying. Here you can see it's copying the image of router. When you do this, the images come here. You can go directly to Easy. Let's go here and add. You will see Cisco. You can see I put the image and the image just comes here. Alright, let's go to put another image. Vamos meter mais uma imagem. I love to use this router. It's copying right now. You can see. Let's go. This is the message, that image. We copy only to root. Now let's go to copy switch. Okay, IOL. Here, lead and bin. You should get in bin. Okay. Now let's look for this guy. Yeah, that is the one. So I have here two versions. You can use both. Okay, I will use that one because is the more I use every time this version. Okay, work well without problem, and I will copy this. And what I have more to do for is copy for this guy, for root we need the license. We need to create a key. Okay, this way. Let's go to Genius 3. What is Genius 3? Here we need to look for the image. What is it? Sorry. Come on, Linux. My God, when I go to change. When I go to change. Let me looking for K. IOL. I'm looking for this. There is no key there. Oh, it's here. Yeah, this is the key. No, this is not the key. This is for generation key. And we must find this guy. The name is Key Jin. KG. Okay. Yeah, that's one. Yeah, that's one. I must find this guy. What is this guy? Come on, come on, come on. Show me on Finder. Yeah, that is the way we can find him. Yeah. Where is the page? Yeah, is this guy. Let me open the two plates. This information. So we need copy this for that place. Okay. And we have more something. This is the key. All right. But we will generate a new key, okay, for switch. But I have more. I think so it will work, there is no problem. Yeah, then you should back and back. Let's come here, let's put one XP version. Let's copy, but XP it will take a time because it is not a 10 into, I imagine the Windows 10 into page, okay? Deixa eu ver aqui, let me copy this XP, there is no Windows 7 here. I have a Windows 7 but I don't, okay, I will, oh, that's Windows 7, okay, this is the hard drive of IP, okay, let's copy this one to this folder. Everyone is looking the folder I'm putting all the image. I think you must fix about this, okay? Okay, I think so everything is cool. I think so everything is cool. The Windows XP is copying right now. And let me check if I have more something here for everyone. I think so there is nothing more. Yeah, this is also Fortinet. Yeah, that is Fortinet. Okay, I will copy one Fortinet to put there. Okay, this is firewall. Yeah, if you wanna see Palo Alto or another kind, I can do without problem. Okay, if you want to know how to change the icons and so on, you can do too. There is no problem. This is Asa. We can use Asa too. Okay. Now let's go. Another part. What do we have to do? Windows is copied here. Let me show you. Windows is copied here. So let's go to our EV. I'm needing the Windows server. Okay, Eloy, I will share with you a link to download the Windows server. Okay, because I could open here. If you want with Windows server, I can share the link. Let me see if I have mega place here because I put everything there. Let me check what is it. File Neto. Okay, that is Fortinet. Okay, that is. But I have okay. I think so. It's gonna help you. Let me share the link. Share magnet link and copy. Let me try to put here. Eloy, that is the link to download the Windows server. It will be Windows server version 2006, but I think so it can help you. Then I will share with you another version. Okay, and I need to download more something, and because I don't have here, I have on my, let me see, magnet, and copy. I will send this for me. Okay, let me check. How can I send this? I will send on Telegram. Yeah, on my page, Telegram. You can download there. This is because I wanna download something quickly. Let me check Telegram. Okay, the Windows is making copy right now. Okay, and I'm trying to open something. Let me try to put some stuff here. Yeah, that is my page. Yeah, I want to download something from here. Yeah. oh, this is the server. I don't want to download the server. I will get in now because I want to download another version. You can see it's too much. Okay, I get into my folder because I want to download another thing. Sorry. I should come back here and let me try to get in here because I want to download. Where is this guy? Yeah, I want to download this guy. Only that one. This is the more is important. Sometimes the other key could not work, and I must download this guy. It's very quickly. Oh, the okay. Only this one. Come on, I wanna download zip. Yeah, it is more quickly. Okay, it's done. It's done. Just it's very quickly. Okay, because this one. Okay, this is the artist. You can take unzip. Okay, so the XP just I just finished. Okay, let me back here. Let's go to IOL bin. I will not use this one. Let me see here the file. Okay, where is my file? Where is my file? Okay, yeah, it's here. Okay, I need this one and I put it here. Now it's okay. Now let's go to even. Let's go to test. And some person have a problem about it. You can see you have a switch. You can accept and okay, you can put also that is the switch, the router. Let's go to take a switch. That is the switch. Okay, you can change for switch router. You can change the image for everyone that you want. It will be switch. I will not use this. It's too much. Okay, you can do only that and 256. All right. And what I have more, I can increase the number of the ports. Can do more too. Okay, you can put a serial port. All right, but I will not use. Okay, if you want to do a test with a serial, okay, that is. This is our switch, and you can use a Windows. That is the Windows I put here. Yeah, XP. Memory is too much. You can do 1 GB is okay. If you wanna put more down, you can increase the number of PCs. Okay, there is no problem. Yeah, now you can do save. Okay, now you can try to start everything, but you will have a problem about the Node 12. The switch will not work. Okay, because the switch there is no license for him. Okay, you not create license. Sometimes the problem is not license. Sometimes the problem is permissions. Okay, you can get in here. It will open secure RT because I'm using secure RT. So I explain to download the Windows package. Okay, because the Windows package is important. You will see the put and whatever you want. Okay, the router is working and the PC is working too. You have a lot of stuff to do. You can choose compilation screen. You can use Microsoft Remote Desktop because we have options to get in with Remote Desktop or with VNC. I will use VNC. I will use Jump. Okay, and you can see my window is working. Okay, my window is working, but my switch is not working. what I have to do to my switch work. That is the important thing you must do. What do we have to do? We must get in here. I will open this guy and I will do quick connection. It will be SSH and 192.168. We should get into this guy. Yeah, the user root. Accept. 12. All right. So we are inside the CCNA for all. It is our EV. Here, this is the root. Here we should do some commands like I just write here. Those are the commands. This is the place that you must go. You know this way. When you come here, you can see the way. Let me check. CDP open option uniplat add-on. You will see OP uniplat add-on IOL D. Alright, this is the place that you have your image. You should get in and do this. Alright, we can copy this, copy, and come here, paste. You see, you can do the command LSA to see what folder that you have. What is the folder we want to get in? Is this folder? We should call them CD. Then we should see what I have more. Is missing more something? Let me check. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's missing. You should get in on B. Okay, B and get it. Inside the bin, you can do ls. You will see you have the image of switch and you have the key generation. Alright, you need to create the key. What I have to do is write Python. Is it Python? No, is Python. Little bit about the programmation also. You will see. When we do enter, you will see the key. That is the key. That is the key. Alright? And this is the document. Add this following test in this document. Okay? We will do nano because we don't have this document. We will create this document. Right? And we should copy this. Alright? Then we do enter. We pass here the license. Then we should do exit but save. Okay, it's done. Let me try to start my switch. This is start, but it's not running. Okay, you can start but it's not running. You can start, not running. What is happening is permission. You should give the permission. Okay, then let's go. Let's go. We have another command to do. For permission, you should get into this folder. Okay, you should call this one. Okay, but look, it is inside of Unity Lab. Is here only. You should do cd cd cd. Okay, now call this one. Let's go to fix permission. The command is webpath fix permission. Okay, all of these commands you can find on your EV website. Let's go to see our switch. Come on, what's wrong? It's not working. Let me close this one. Let me, oh, sorry. Let me check if the document is there. if the license is there. CD ls, yeah, the license is here. Okay, the license is there. Let's go to add a new switch. This is a switch. You can do switch 1868, and please enter value. Yeah, okay, is 256. Okay, I don't know if this image has any problem. Okay, let me start. Yeah, now is cool. You can see. Now let's start. It will take a time, but it will start. You see, that is the switch. Show version. Okay, that is the switch, and that is the router. Show version. That is the version of your Cisco software and whatever, and this is your switch. Okay, all right. And this way everything is working. Let's go to see my PC. Yeah, my PC is cool. You can see everything is working. Okay. Now this is the configuration. Let me stop everything. Okay, let me stop everything. I will use another form to access. Okay. It was also console. Now let's use HTML5 console. Okay. Password will be the same. And sign me up. Should get in. Should open the lab. Come on. Open. Now let's start. Let's connect this. And connect it there. And let me do something. Let me add. Let me add the Fortinet, because with the firewall I use every time. With the Fortinet firewall, I will not change nothing. Yeah, that is firewall Fortinet. You can connect. You can. So let me put here. Here. So we have a bridge and we have management cloud. Bridge is a bridge, a pond. We will use a manager. Manager is to connect to your physical network. Okay? Do and connect. Right? Now everything is good. Let's start everything. You should wait. Nós podemos fazer um copy de todas as configurações do livro. Tudo que a gente fizer, podemos fazer um copy e as configurações todas. Depois tu podes ver configuration is not a configuration object, is this is for export and the configuration, this is object. Tem aqui um lugar, é aqui, todas as configurações aparecem aqui, ok? Mas só vai copiar configurações do tudo que for Cisco ou whatever, Windows not, Fortinet not, okay? Now let's start, let's get it. You will see what I will do. When I click to PC, you will see the PC is open and the PC has IP. Effect config. Come on, what is wrong? Yeah, it's tem IP e podemos ir à internet, ok? Porque está conectado com a minha placa física. Ruta também abrimos na consola. O switch também abrimos na consola. E a Fortinet também abrimos na consola. Ok? É port 1. Ok? Este é a Fortinet. You can see it's a wonderful work with this, my friend. Show system interface. This is also an example. Every interface is let me configure. You can configure system interface. Edit port 1 set mode DHCP set allowed and right. Now let's do again. Let's do again. Show system interface. That is my IP. Now let's. Oh, this is the PC. Let's 1 and 2. 59. This is the IP of my Fortinet. You see, it's a wonderful. You can do a lot of stuff here. This is the Fortinet. This is my PC. You can go to. You can look for Ndawedua Neto. That is me. You will see everything about me on Google, YouTube. So we are live right now. Yeah, that is me. Okay. And on the router, this is the root. You can do no. And this is the switch. On switch you can do configuration terminal. You can what we can do here, enable. Yeah, this is duplex mismatch. Don't be afraid. This is also a problem with the interface of the router and switch. Enable secret. You can do Cisco. You can create user name. User name. User Cisco. Privilege. 15. No, 15. Secret. But I have more. It's gonna be Cisco. New model. Authentication. Login. Default. Local. Line. It is also example because I want to show you that it is work wonderful. Line VTY 0 space 4. Login. Login. What I have here. This is login authentication. And you can do also password, Cisco. Yeah. If I make a mistake, I will not be able to get it again. Okay, Cisco and Cisco. Yeah, it works well. Yeah, I know. I make a mistake. Alright, but don't worry. I can do a start. Yeah, you can see that is my root. Show IP interface. There is no interface. There is no IP here. So IP interface. This. Yeah. Oh, you take it from DHCP. Alright. I think it's cool. That is me. We are here. And so that is Fortinet. Okay? Easy. we finish now. Any question, any suggest, anything was not clear, if there are some things are not clear, you are free to ask. So that is, let me check on my Facebook if there are persons watching right now. I could do the same time transmission on Facebook and transmission here, but you can come here below and write how was your experience on this live, if it was good or not. You can write below, or you can get into my YouTube channel and say, write something below. You can say if it was good or was bad, and I hope so I could help. Okay? Espero ter ajudado com isto e desejo a todos uma boa continuação. Alright? Nos vemos nos próximos vídeos. Continuem seguindo o canal. Para quem ainda não tiver inscrito, faça a sua inscrição. Não deixa de ativar as notificações, okay? Para receber sempre notificações em tempo real dos vídeos e quando estiver em live. Okay? Desejo a todos boa continuação e estamos juntos. Fui!